with interior designs. That's it for the news. After the musical break, we'll present the coverage on the dual MBA program of the School of Computer Science and Management of the Mongolian University of Science and Technology and the Graduate School of International Management of the International University of Japan. Welcome back to the Voice of Mongolia in English. Education, reform, and investment are vitally important for Mongolia. Mongolia is set to come into immense wealth from mining, and it needs to spend that money wisely so that people have the skills, expertise, and knowledge to make a living from the industry now and make a living after the minerals are depleted. Mongolia must make a very few long-term commitments.